ITC Infotech has a sharp focus on improving the business outcomes for its customers across its digital manufacturing engagements. Their success is enabled by their rich domain knowledge, their investments in building ready to deploy solutions which accelerate value realization and lower the capex spend. The company's business friendly solution centric approach helps manufacturing organizations drive operational efficiency, flexibility, and agile operations, leading to safe and sustainable manufacturing. This approach has enabled ITC Infotech to consistently realize significant value for its customers and become the bellwether for the sector in the last couple of years in the digital manufacturing space.